you need fast access to your favorite scope functionality? You'll be happy to learn about the MXO Toolbar. Located in the upper left corner of the screen, the toolbar can be configured to display your most commonly used functions. Add and remove different tools into the toolbar. Drag and drop into the position that works best for you. Let's look at a few examples. Turning on cursors and placing them is super simple. Or repurpose the toolbar area to quickly edit common settings, like the span and RBW on this spectrum. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.